CD-60L dehumidifier, home dehumidifier. So we'll understand the control panel and how to operate this. Okay, now this is the on off button. When you press the on button, the display will be on, and it will show the current humidity of this, okay, and it will show the mode. Okay, now we will go one by one. This button is a child lock. Child lock is that once you done the setting, if you want that setting should not be disturbed, so you can press the child lock. So, and then you can switch off the lighting display. Okay, this light on and off. The third one is the swing. See, it is the swing function. Is if you put the swing function, it will start. The display will start moving, and it will show the swing on. When you switch off the swing function, it will stop moving, and swing function will be off. So this is the some mode of functions. There is a mode button. You can see the mode button. If you press the mode button, it will show drying mode. It is for the drying, and then it is for dehumidifying mode. Okay, drying. When you put on the dehumidifying mode, okay, you can set the humidity manually. To do that, there is a setup button. If you press the setup button, the set humidity will start flashing. Okay, and when you press again and again, the set humidity will increase by the 5% RH. So let's say that we will set the humidity to the 30% or 35%. So it will set to the 35%. It will flash 2 times, and then again it will show the current humidity. This is the current humidity. Okay, this display will show the fan speed. You can change the fan speed. This is the fan speed button. So you can just, when you press the fan speed, it will show the fan speed 1 or 2. Okay, it will show the current room temperature. And the other function is that a timer function. It's a timer function. This timer function is used to set on off, auto on off, and auto off when you set. Now in this display there are few more displays are there. When the child lock is on, it will show the lock button. When the tank is full, it will show the tank full indication. And when the unit is on the defrost mode, it will show the defrost mode. Similarly, when the timer is on, it will show the timer button. And when it is in the dehumidifying mode, this icon will start flashing. Okay, so you can set the humidity level. Thank you.